This is my Oreo pound cake. If you love Oreos like I do, you have to try it. It starts with a buttermilk pound cake base, so we're going to cream our butter and sugar with a little bit of oil until they're nice and fluffy. And then we'll add in our eggs one at a time so that each of them can be incorporated easily, followed by some vanilla extract. Once that's all combined really well, you can move on to your dry ingredients, and that's going to be cake flour, baking powder, and salt. And I like to add in my crushed Oreo cookies at this step too. Then I just alternate the dry ingredients with buttermilk until it's all combined. And then the last thing you add in is that last portion of your dry ingredients. Mix it all up until it's just combined and you're ready to bake. I like to just scoop my batter into my prepared Bundt pan. Make sure your Bundt pan is nice and well greased. I use cake goop or just baking spray. And once our cake is done, we're going to let it cool and then drizzle over this super easy vanilla icing. Adding icing to a Bundt cake is always my favorite part. I like to sprinkle a few more chopped up Oreos on top because I love Oreos. And I think it makes the cake look really cute. So there you have it. If you love cookies and cream everything like me, you have to give this cake a try. You can get this full recipe at ShanaeToday.com. Enjoy!